we'll guide you through how to change your Dropbox email. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Dropbox website and log into your account. Once you're in, look towards the top right corner of the page and click on your avatar or profile picture. A drop-down menu will appear, and from there, you need to click on Settings. This will take you to the Account Settings page. Now, you're going to see several tabs at the top. Make sure you're on the General tab. Here, you'll see your current email address listed. Right next to it, there's an option that says Edit. Click on Edit, and a new field will appear where you can enter your new email address. Make sure to type it in carefully to avoid any mistakes. After you've entered your new email, click the Update Email button. Dropbox will send a confirmation email to your new address, so head over to your email inbox. It might take a minute or so to receive it. Once it arrives, open the email and click on the confirmation link inside. This step is crucial as it verifies your email change and updates it in Dropbox. If you don't confirm, the change won't be applied. Just like that, your Dropbox email is updated, and you're good to go. Remember, if you have any issues with not receiving the confirmation email, check your spam or junk folders, as sometimes it can land there. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.